Hi there. I'm going to talk about the generative AI solutions that I created making use of Gemini model uh, for doing expense data analysis. So it is basically a financial data analysis that is done on my personal expense tracker that I manage in a low code no code platform. So before starting that, I used actually a Gemini 1.0 Pro model for this submission. So what I did is this is a platform called QuickBase where I manage my personal expenses, and I was just curious to see how I can make use of generative AI to do some kind of a data analysis. So for that, I actually made use of the Vertex AI model that I mentioned, and I basically the SDK I used. So here I dynamically export the data from the platform QuickBase, and where I have the expense data. The expense data is having five columns as you see here, and it has got multiple categories of spendings in the last let's say 1 year of data. So I just query it using Python, yeah, through the QuickBase API, and then that I actually feed it to the Gemini model, and try to create a kind of a chat interface here. So you see, I actually it will execute it here. For example, there are 800 records which are there, and I actually will try to start with that. So you see here directly, I tried this. I tried the Gemini model to see how it works. So after which I actually created a web service out of it, and then I actually tried to create a bot interface and embed it in the QuickBooks dashboard. So let's say I want to find March spending summary. So basically, the data of QuickBase is formatted and I used as data to analyze it for the model. So it gave some kind of an insights here, which is really useful. And then I went ahead and actually I created a cloud function making use of that. So in this Google Cloud function, I exactly replicated the same, exporting the big-based data, and then created a web service by using the Gemini model, and then return the response. So this web service, I actually also tested it out here. So this is the web service which is created, and I will just try to execute it. For example, I want to compare the spendings of 2 months. So let's see how exactly it brings the results there. So basically, uh, let me type as March versus April spending. So the quick-based data for the month of March and the April is automatically filtered out and then analyzed by the Gemini model, and it returns the response as well. So that response is shown in a kind of a report interface here, and that actually gives some meaningful insights here. For example, it gives me the category wise analysis about the grocery spending, the entertainment, the traveling, and other things. And it's really gave a good insights of everything there. So, and let me quickly jump into the quick base one. So basically, I embedded this bot interface, and where actually I created this bot interface making use of HTML, CSS, JavaScript code that is purely making use of the Gemini search, and then I embedded that interface in this dashboard so that I can go and search, or basically I can chat with this interface to get the insights there. That's it. Thank you.